Dear students, in question number 16, we have to prove that the product of two given numbers is equals to their HCF multiplied their LCM. So the first part of question number 16 is 87 and 145. First of all, we will simply find out the factors of given numbers. Factors of 87 are 3 and 29. Factors of 145 are 5 and 29. After that, we can see that the common factor between both these numbers is 29. Now LCM is this HCF multiplied by the rest of the numbers. 29 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. Therefore 29 multiplied by 15 is equals to 435. Now we will multiply both these numbers, 87 and 145. Therefore their sum is 12,615. Now HCF will be multiplied by LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM is 29 multiplied by 435 is 12,615. Also the product of two numbers is 12,615. Therefore HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Next is question number 17. In question number 17, the product of two numbers is 2160 and their HCF is 12. We have to find out their LCM. So as we know the formula, product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiplied by their LCM. Product of two numbers is given to us, that is 2160. LCM is also given to us 12, and we have to find the HCF is given to us and we have to find the LCM. Now 2160 upon 12 is equals to LCM. After dividing both these numbers, we get 180, and that is our LCM. Now coming to question number 19. The statement of this question is the HCF of two numbers is 145 and their LCM is 2175. If one of the numbers is 725, find the other. In this question, both the HCF and LCM are given, and we have to find one of the two numbers. We know the formula HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Therefore HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to 725 multiplied by X. X is the second number. We will suppose that the second number is X, the number to be find out. Now 145 multiplied by 2175 upon this 725 is equals to X. The value of X will be find out after solving these equations. Now after cutting all these numbers, we get 435 is equals to X. 725 3s are 2175. Now 145 multiplied by 3 is 435. Therefore the other number is 435. Now next question is question number 21. Find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. We have to find out the least number which is divisible by all the given numbers. The smallest number divisible by the given numbers will be given by their LCM. Therefore, after finding out the factors of these numbers together, we get these factors. And after multiplying all these numbers, we get 1440, and that is their LCM. It means the least number which is divisible by all these numbers is 1440. Now next question is question number 22. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as the remainder in each case. Again the steps are same. we will find out the factors of the given numbers 25, 60 and 40. We will find out the factors of all these numbers together. So the factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Now 2 के 3 फैक्टर्स हैं हमारे पास, तो 2 रेज टू पावर 3. 5 के 2 फैक्टर्स हैं, इट मीन्स 5 रेज टू पावर 3. 3 का कोई फैक्टर नहीं है, सो 3 एज इट इज ही लिखेंगे हम. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑल दीज नंबर वी गेट 600. ओके, इट मीन्स 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय ऑल दीज नंबर्स 25, 40 and 60. But we want a number which leaves the remainder 9. जिसे डिवाइड करने के बाद हम जिस नंबर को डिवाइड करने के साथ जिस नंबर को इन नंबर से डिवाइड करने पे 9 रिमाइंडर बचे, इट मीन्स वी विल ऐड 9 टू द एलसीएम. एलसीएम में 9 ऐड करके हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स our answer is 609. When we will divide 609 by all these numbers 25, 40 and 60, we will get the remainder 9, and that is our answer. Next question is